Hi Deb, my name is Parker and I work for YEG SEO. We are a marketing agency here in Edmonton, and I happen to be doing some research today and came across your website and figured I'd shoot you guys over this quick video to go over 3 things that you can do today to start beating out your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste any of your time and I don't want to waste mine either. So if by the end of this video you like what you see and if you'd like to know more on how we can help grow your business online, then give me a call and I'd love to have a chat. If not, then no harm, no foul. You could take these tips that I'm giving you in this video and put them into action for your business today. Now let's get right into it. The 3 things I'm going to go over are content, citations, and backlinks. Now the first thing is content, and that's basically anything you could see on the front page, including the pictures, what the pictures are saved as, and what's behind the pictures as well. So if I go down here and try and save any of these images, you can see how it's named just image as the file name, or this one here is going to be image as well. And you can actually save every single photo on your entire website as different keywords and phrases that people will be searching for on Google. So all those factors can be seen by the Google search engine. So making sure you have enough unique, relevant, and high quality content on your front page really allows you to add in those keywords and phrases that people are constantly using to search for when they are searching for your services. So having content filled with all those keywords and phrases is really going to help you guys be found easier on Google. And that includes just the amount of words you guys actually have on your homepage. So we like to have at least 1,500 words on our home pages because that really helps with getting optimized with Google and throwing in those keywords and phrases that you want to be ranked for. So if I keep on scrolling through your guys' website here, it does look great already. However, I definitely would add in still more content of words and, like I said, saving every single one of those images as different keywords and phrases that you will be searched for on Google. Now, the second thing I want to go over are citations. And you can see here all I searched for were Edmonton Electrical Services. And the citations will take place more down here in the map portion of Google. And all a citation is a business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories throughout the web. So if you're wondering what a directory is or how can you guys get put into them, well, essentially all a directory is a website out there that allows businesses to enter their business's name and information and services such as Yelp or Yellow Pages or LinkedIn or even Facebook has a directory for citations. Now, a good technique that we like to use is to look at all the competitors in the area and see what directories they are currently using, because there is a good chance if they are working for them, then they are also going to work for you guys. Now, you don't want to just go out and get what your competition has. You want to go out and get more citations than them so that eventually you could outrank them on Google and find your way on this map section here. Now, the third thing I want to go over are backlinks, and that will take place more on the organic part of Google here. And all a backlink is another website that is linking back to you guys saying that you offer electrical types of services in the area. That way it brings relevance and keywords that you guys are trying to rank for people to find you more easily. A tool that we like to use is called Ahrefs, which is right here. And this tool allows me to see different referring domains and backlinks and the traffic a website would be bringing in monthly. So we could see with you guys here, you guys have 37 referring domains giving you 106 backlinks and 16 organic clicks on Google a month. Now, if I look at one of your competitors here, you could see they have 55 referring domains, giving them 198 backlinks and 375 organic clicks on a Google. So you can tell that there is a bit of a difference there. They definitely have a little bit more. So if I click on the referring domains here, though, I can see all of the different websites that are currently linking back to your competitors here. So just like with citations, if these backlinks and websites are working for your competitor, there's a good chance they're also going to work for you guys as well. And like I said before, you don't want to just go out and get what your competitor has. You want to go out and get a lot more than them so that eventually you can outrank them on Google in the organic section as well. Now, I really hope that this video has been informative for you. Like I said, you are free to take these tips and use them for yourself. Or if you'd like to discuss further on how our team at YAG SEO can help grow your business online, then please contact me and I'd be happy to jump on the phone with you guys. Now, my information is right here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video today and have a good one.